this video, we talk about the differences between ceramic, cement, and porcelain tile. That's starting right now.
Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, Carl Ye here, and welcome to another Homebuyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm joined by Deborah Armstrong, Senior Interior Designer with Brookfield Residential. And the question we're going to answer today is, what's the difference between ceramic tile, cement tile, and porcelain tile? So, Deborah, let's start with what are each of the three? So let's start with cement tile. What is cement tile?
Cement tile is a tile that's made with sand, cement, some color, pigmentation, and then usually a little bit of a marble, grounded marble added to it. It's a very strong tile.
And what do you normally use cement tile for?
Oh, cement tile can be used for floors, walls, counters. The most important thing is in certain areas you want to make sure that is sealed.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And how about ceramic tile?
Ceramic tile is made out of clay, either red, brown, white clay. It is not as strong as cement tile. Okay. However, you can use a porcelain tile, which is very much made the same way in the same products as a cement tile is, or ceramic tile, I'm sorry. Yeah. But it is fired at a much higher temperature, so therefore it's much denser and less porous. Usually those tiles are glazed as well, you know, and that adds a barrier for water protection.
So are all three types of tiles glazed?
No, your cement tile is like a Sotila tile, you know, Mexican tile. Yeah. That's sometimes it's glazed, sometimes it's not. Okay.
And then ceramic tile and porcelain tile are all glazed?
Yes, they're fired in a kiln and usually glazed, yes.
And glaze, again, is just to make sure it's waterproof?
Yeah, and it's the type of paint that's on it. It's the kind of a glaze. It just fires up like almost like a glass surface.
And so what are the costs to install each?
For the ceramic ones and the porcelain ones, you're looking at maybe anywhere from $2 to $7. Okay. Again, and then of course the cement tile, that you're looking at around $9 to $13 or more. Again, it all depends on the grade of the tile, and then if you get into designer series.
And that's, are you talking square foot?
Per square foot,
per square foot?
Yes.
And then each of these types of tiles you can change the color, the stain, I guess, or no?
Yeah, they're produced in all different kinds of colors, you know, right from, you know, of course, the factories. The cement tiles are very, very popular right now. A lot of them hand painted. That's where you're going to see the costs get way high because they're all hand done, but they're very popular right now.
Okay. Yeah. And I know one of the most important questions that when I was researching this topic was, can cement tile be actually used in the shower?
It can. I don't know if I'd advise it 100%. You want to make sure it's sealed, and it's going to have to be resealed often if it is a, you know, because it's an unglazed tile. Yeah. But I would probably, if it was my shower, I'd probably stick to a, you know, definitely a glazed ceramic or porcelain tile.
One question for cement is, does it crack?
No, not. If you use a proper underlayment, it won't crack, and it is much stronger than your ceramic or porcelain tiles. You know, it's usually thicker as well. So, I mean, all tile can crack depending, you know, how it's laid or what's dropped on it, but I would say it's one of the harder tiles.
And how durable is each of these tiles? So I guess first of all, how durable, and second, how often do you need to replace them?
Well, tile can last for forever if you take good care of it. Again, it's depending on the grouting, the way the grout was laid, the underlayment, so that you're not getting cracking of your tile, and sometimes the wear and tear on the tile. In a high traffic area, you know, a ceramic tile can be resealed, so that's a really good thing. Yeah. Whereas a cement tile can be resealed. A ceramic tile and a porcelain tile, the glazing wears off. There's not much you can do.
You're going
to replace your tile. They're gonna wear. Yeah.
And remember, if you want to know more about tile underlayment, watch our video above. So, and we're talking about tile underlayment. Do you need a underlayment for each of those all three?
Yeah, you should,
okay.
To prevent cracking. And again, if it's in a shower, you definitely need a rubber or a waterproof membrane to avoid any sort of leaks.
Okay, perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I think we've covered most everything.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much for joining us. The question of the day I have for you is, what type of tile do you use? Ceramic, cement, or porcelain? And what was your experience with that? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyer School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.